About 11 miles south of downtown San Antonio, just along the San Antonio River, is the historic Spanish mission, San Francisco de la Espada, or known as just Mission Espada. It was originally founded in 1690 and located in East Texas and called San Francisco de la Tejas, and was the first mission in the province of Texas. But it was relocated and renamed in 1731. And the church was completed in 1756, and it's one of 4 missions in the San Antonio area. The Espada Aqueduct and acequia waterway were constructed between 1731 and 1745. That's when water is captured along a river by man-made barriers so that it pools and runs along a man-made ditch that flows to the mission from the nearby San Antonio River. And portions of that system are still operational today. The original purpose of the mission was to Christianize and assimilate Native American groups into Spanish society and create a self-sufficient community. However, due to constant threats of attacks and raids by the Apache, who stole the mission's horses in 1736, some 230 Native American residents abandoned the mission. And then a smallpox outbreak in 1739 wiped out many of those who had returned. It became a walled compound afterwards, and in 1824 it was the scene of a battle during the Texas Revolution. By the 1850s, Mission Espada's roof had fallen in, and its sidewalls had collapsed. But in 1858, a newly appointed pastor began to rebuild the mission sidewalls and oversaw the construction of a new roof. In the 1930s, during the Great Depression, more funding came from the federal New Deal program. A school had opened in 1915 and functioned until 1967. The church still has an active congregation to this day.